It's all over TikTok, it's all over YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. This is MyKeyBrd's MK1. So why is everyone buying it? Let's find out. The MK1 is a 65% mechanical wireless keyboard with 2.4 wireless connection and high quality keycaps. It has a slight 6-degree tilted angle and is also hot swappable. So MyKeyBrd went out of their way to add silicone padding between the top and the bottom layers. This is called the double gasket design, and it is tremendous for getting rid of all that, the rattles whenever you're typing and all that extra noise that you don't want. And of course, it also has stabilizers to be able to stabilize those larger switches or larger keys. So these PBT keycaps are dye sublimating. So this dye sublimating technology helps keep these keys lasting longer, keeping them fresh, keeping them clean, and not a lot of wear and tear. So as we mentioned earlier, this MK1 is also hot swappable, allowing you to change the switches to anything you want, making it your own custom keyboard. So this case is actually made out of aluminum, which is why it's so heavy, high quality, and you really do feel like you're having a high quality keyboard whenever you use it. It is compatible on both Mac and Windows. And if for some reason your computer does not have Bluetooth, it also comes with a USB-C cable that you can use to connect it. It has a RGB backflow with about 18 different color modes. So now that we've gone over some of its cool features, let's go ahead and do an unboxing and a sound test, and then we'll give you our honest opinion on what we think of this keyboard. To keep things simple, if someone were to ask me, hey, what's the best keyboard I can get for $150, I would direct them to MyKeyBrd's MK1. This keyboard is exceptional. It sounds and feels great. And the fact that MyKeyBrd made it hot swappable makes things 10 times better. The only issue we did encounter with this keyboard was that the backspace was missing an E, but we reached out and they were super helpful, super fast, and just made things a good process. So huge thank you to MyKeyBrd for all the help and being so responsive. We highly appreciate that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed, and it's been Mr. Tech Shop.